Hello everyone, we are at the LexTalk World Conference Day 1 and here with us is Mr. Chehade Kahi, General Counsel at Emirates Petroleum, who gave us the keynote speech on the topic Transforming the Future of Legal. Hello sir, how's been your experience so far?
It has been great, well organized, and the participants are very active.
Thank you so much, sir. So tomorrow you are speaking on the panel discussion topic, the legal tech revolution. So how excited are you for that?
Definitely we're excited. From today we can see that the participation will be very active, and also the panelists, my peers panelists, we have really met a few times and it sounds very vibrant and exciting. I'm looking forward to join them tomorrow. I'm pretty sure we will give some very good insights.
Great, sir. So are we. So you gave us the examples of how litigation was helped with AI. Especially you gave us examples during the COVID time where people were not allowed to meet each other. So could you throw some limelight upon that?
Yeah, what we were saying, that the traditional way of litigation, a lawyer showing up and pleading in front of a judge and convincing a judge about the facts of the case, may be a little bit obsolete going forward. AI is intervening to assess and process data information and have things processed and simulated in a coded way.
You even gave an example of how your assistant could, draft a complete case for you with the help of AI.
Yes, AI, he was able to draft a submission of defense in one of our claims. He's a non-legal person, but aware of legal while working with me. But I was surprised that the main structure of the defense was there. Definitely, the most important is to have an intervention and have a supervision by the experts, the legal experts. So we make sure from an integrity and honesty and professional perspective, the material has been really crafted and verified.
Great, sir. So could you also tell our viewers about how to have responsible use of AI? Like what is the source of information that the tool uses and how to be responsible about it?
AI is a pool of information having input by anyone. That anyone may be delivering right, wrong, assessment, interpretations. So it's handy to have a tool that helps you, giving opening brackets for you while you're thinking, but you should know what you want. You should know your ultimate target and trigger the AI to trigger questions and hypotheses for you, and then to close down the material, the product, and the way you wanted it.
Definitely. Thank you for your insights, sir. That was really helpful. So is there any other particular panel discussion that you're looking forward from our elaborative agenda?
I've seen the tax. I enjoyed the investment in the Middle East, and I saw the mergers and acquisitions. So really, guys, you are covering a very major areas of interest, and it is really wonderful to be with you in such well-organized atmosphere. Honestly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us, and looking forward to hear your panel discussion tomorrow.
Likewise.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.